commence to pledge. Pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. National news brought to you by B. Sandeep. National news. The Delhi government announced free JEE and NEET coaching for eligible class 12 government school students. International news. Europe is expected to witness its first total solar eclipse in 27 years this month. Thank you.
And today's state and sport news are brought to you by UK Tarani. State news. 3 lead terrorists guarded down in Srinagar. Sports news. For 6th time, Australia wins the Women's T20 World Cup. Thank you. The report brought to you by Vishal. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Wind speed per hour 20 kilometers. Mostly sunny. Thank you.
Today's thought is brought to you by K. Kartikeya. Every day is a new to learn something new. I repeat my thought. Every day is a new to learn something new. Thank you.
Today word is brought to you by G. Mithilesh. About catamaran, a kind of boat. Friends, spell after me. Catamaran, C-A-T-A-M-A-R-A-N. Catamaran. Thank you.
Question is brought by K.S. Sarfik. Question for grade 7. Which India state has the longest coastline? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Gujarat. Let us observe them. Question for grade 8. What is the currency of Japan? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Yen. Let us observe them. Question for grade 9. What is the electronic city of India? And what is the electronic city of India? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Bangalore. Let us observe them. Question for grade 10. Which animal has the no brain and no heart? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is jellyfish. Let us all appreciate them. Thank you.
This is my friend Sai Teja. Hi Sai Teja. Hi Krishnavatam. Do you heard about latest news?
Yes, I know it. Electric offices are changing very quickly these days.
Social media helps us get faster news, but we should check if it is truth.
Yes, fake news can create in social media.
Let's always follow positive news and support to good changes.
Social media create.
People should use technology responsibility and sit away.
Yes, a responsibility of society. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.